The goal of making a lot of money doesn't have to be hard to reach. There are rules about money that will help you get ahead financially and increase your net worth. Most people want to be good at money, so many of them are struggling to make ends meet. It's smart to make smart choices with your money, pay off your debt, and build your wealth by saving and spending. Pay attention to these 7 money rules. Rule number 1. Make a budget and save money. Make a budget and stick to it. That's the first rule number of money. A budget helps you keep track of the money you earn and spend, so you can see exactly where your money is going. It also helps you figure out where you can spend less on things you don't need and put more money into investments and saves. Many self-made millionaires boast remarkable journeys from poverty to riches, like Andrew Carnegie, Oprah Winfrey, and Elon Musk, who began his first startup business with $100,000 borrowed in student loans. Taking steps such as starting a side hustle or investing in yourself may also help accelerate reaching financial goals faster. Saving money is a very important part of getting rich. Try to save some of your money every month, even if it's only a little. Your savings will grow over time, giving you the money you need for purchases and financial security. Rule number 2. Invest wisely. There is only one way to quickly get rich: invest wisely. Spread your money around different types of assets to reduce risk and increase profits. There are many ways to spend your money, but make sure you choose something that fits your risk tolerance and financial goals. Learn about the different ways you can invest your money, and if you need help, talk to financial professionals. Remember that smart, well-thought-out investments can pay off big time and help you get rich. Rule number 3. Don't spend more than you can afford. If you want to be financially successful, you should always live below your means. Although it might be tempting to buy expensive things or live a lavish lifestyle, it's important to watch how much you spend. Don't take on too much debt or spend too much on things that aren't important. Because you're living below your means, you have extra money that you can save or spend. Being strict with how you handle your money will help you reach your financial goals more quickly and more steadily. Before purchasing something, calculate how many hours it will cost in terms of hours worked and consider whether or not it is worthwhile. Doing this mental math will teach you to think like a saver while helping prevent overspending. Rule number 4. Always learn new things. When you're trying to make money, never forget how powerful information can be. To make smart choices, you need to keep learning about personal finance, investing, and ways to build wealth. To learn more about money, go to workshops, read books, read financial blogs, and talk to financial teachers. A person who knows a lot about money can better handle the complicated world of money and spot profitable chances. When you know something, you feel confident, and when you feel confident, you can make smart financial decisions that can help you get rich faster. Rule number 5. Make plans. If you want to get rich, you should set clear, attainable cash goals. To reach your long-term financial goals, you need to set smart, specific, measured, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Having clear goals helps you stay on track and motivated, whether you're trying to buy a house, start a business, or make a certain amount of passive income. Break down your bigger money goals into smaller ones and enjoy each one as you reach it. This keeps you encouraged and lets you see how you're doing so you can make any necessary changes to your money plan. Rule number 6. Don't give up and be patient. Getting rich quickly does not mean getting rich right away. To really be financially successful, you have to be persistent and patient. When people become famous overnight, it's usually because they worked hard for years and didn't give up. Stick to your financial goals, even if things go wrong or become difficult. Inflation and changes in the market may have an effect on your investments, but keeping an eye on the big picture can help you get through rough patches and enjoy the benefits of your patience and determination. Rule number 7. Give something back. Not only is getting rich about getting more money, but being wealthy also means giving back to society. Philanthropy and giving to good causes not only make other people's lives better, but they also give you a feeling of purpose and fulfillment in your own. There are many ways to give back to the community, such as by donating money or giving your time and skills. Giving back should be a part of your financial journey. If you do, you'll find that true wealth goes beyond money.